Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. The year is coming to an end, so we have made a best of 2023 episode. It's been a fantastic year for the Galley of the Sun. We have put out 81 full-length episodes and gained over 900 subscribers. So thank you so much. Hey, please leave us a comment and let us know where you're watching from. We always get a kick out of seeing where the fans are coming from, and it adds a piece of evidence for me when I tell people that I am an international YouTube celebrity. Without further ado, we'll start the episode. You want to make sure you want to stay till the end. You don't want to miss that Hi-jinks section. So today, we're gonna make some creamy mushroom pork chops. Tonight, a Galley of the Sun first. We will be cooking duck. This is our 5th empanada episode. What we're doing today is Brazilian tri-tip. It is a gorgeous day here in the Valley of the Sun. Our smoker's up to temperature. Let's get that tri-tip on. There's 2 things I love. It is Mexican food and beef ribs. All right, we're out here at the gas grill. I have this side on high heat, this side with no heat, and that's by design. And then we're gonna get our flack and cut beef ribs directly on the flame. So today we're gonna do caramelized onions and mushrooms stuffed tenderloin. Now we're gonna take this and butterfly it in a manner that creates a meat sheet.
What?
Oh yes, a meat sheet.
What?
So, trying to keep the meat sheet the same thickness throughout. And there we go. We have turned our cylindrical beef tenderloin into a beautiful meat sheet.
What?
Now we're going to sear the outside of our incredible stuffed beef tenderloin. Before the age of the brisket, Texas barbecue was all about beef clawed. Well, briskets become very popular, and it's about $5.60 a pound here in the Valley of the Sun. But beef clawed is $3.56 a pound. So today's question is, beef clawed, it is cheaper, but is it better? We will find out. So we got our judges, Gabby and Stoll. The slices they're going to try first. How is that compared to our normal brisket?
Phenomenal. Really, really good.
Try some of the pulled beef there.
Mike, I'm going to kiss you.
Welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Hey, when Rich and George from Just Cook the Damn Food channel got a hold of us and asked us to join in on their hashtag cheesesteak throwdown, Mike obviously just jumped right on it. And then Mike realized that he's too busy to do it. So he asked me if I could do it. And I'm like, hey, why not? I was like, you know what? How about a St. Louis style cheesesteak wrap? All right, let's see what Mike thinks now that he's not busy anymore.
Editing. All right. Ooh. It's pretty.
Yeah. How's that cheese? Nice and melty in there, and the barbecue sauce work well with that?
It does. It is absolutely delicious.
Fantastic.
Damn.
Lasagna Deshar, 1. Hi, welcome back to Galley of the Sun. And if you can't tell kind of what we're doing here, I'm going to make lasagna today. And second glass, just saying. Cheesy goodness?
Absolutely delicious, and you wouldn't know that it's packed with vegetables. So if you're trying to sneak that past your kids, this is the way to do it.
Shh, we can't tell our friend.
Hey Jim, how's it going?
Hey there, Galley of the Sun!
So, did you know that on June 18th, 1984, Van Halen's masterpiece, Panama, was released?
Great song, worth celebrating.
Yeah. So, I'm down here at the Panama Canal, and I had an idea. We need to do another collaboration.
I happen to be driving my backwards boat over to the canal right now. Maybe I'll see you in person.
So, what I'm going to do is make a Panamanian treat. It's called Carimaniola. What you making?
I'm gonna be making a drink from Panama. It's called chicheme. I better hurry up and get back to my kitchen so I can make this drink. Good seeing you, buddy.
Oh, that sounds incredible. Well, I think it's going to be another stellar collaboration between the two of us. Can't wait to see what you have. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. All right, the moment of truth. How did we do?
Very good.
Fantastic. A lot like a stuffed French fry, is it not?
Wow, that looks amazing. Here's mine. Chicheme. Very thick.
And then it hit me. Why do chili cheese enchiladas when you can do skyline chili cheese enchiladas? Well, Doug of Griddle Cook Eatin' More is from St. Louis. And then it hit me again. What's one of the things that St. Louis is known for, food-wise? Well, it's Emo's Pizza, and what makes Emo's Pizza very special? It is the Provel cheese. So, that's how we came up with today's recipe. Skyline Chili Provel Cheese Enchiladas.
Hey Mike, Doug here from Griddle Cook Eatin' More. Glad to join you on the Provel collab. Today we're going to make my rendition of a cheesesteak and then take a little Provel and make something special with it to add it in.
Now it is time for the moment of truth, the judgment by the director. Was that dramatic enough for you? First of all, is it the finest chili cheese enchilada that you've ever had?
Yes.
All right, it's time for the moment of truth, and comes my taste tester, my grandson Ryland. Oh, my granddaughter Bellotta's coming too. We're all going to stare at the camera, and then we'll stare at the food. And then we'll stare at the camera, and we'll stare at the food. Taste testers, your food is there. First of all, the peppers by Ryland.
It's good. It's not spicy at all.
Uh-huh. Is it cheesy enough for you?
Yes.
Okay. It's cheesy, it's not spicy, it's good. There we go. Bologna, pork chop, what do you think?
It's really chewy.
I think the fact that it was dripping grease as you were eating it is a very good indicator. So how was the corn?
Good. Very good.
We will put a lid on that, and then Ryland, the one who requested this, will give it a try and tell us how it is. All right, what say you?
The meat and the pickles are really good with each other.
What do you think of that barbecue sauce?
It's good.
Does it taste like a McRib?
Yes.
All right, there we go. Is it better than a McRib sandwich from McDonald's?
Even though I never had one, I would say yes.
There you go. He's a good grandson. All right, the dish has been simmering for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to bring in a new judge. This is my granddaughter, Evelyn, and she's going to tell you the truth. I'd like to know if you like the texture. Is it too spicy? Do you have good flavor? So give it a shot.
I think this is really good. The spiciness is perfect, unless you want it more spicy. But like you can always add some more spice.
Mm-hmm.
But overall, I think this is a delicious dish, and the chicken is perfect texture. It's very good.
Thank you very much. Okay, there you go. So. So just about 4 or 5 short pulses is all we're going to go with. But first, apparently, you need to plug it in. It does not run on the power of my personality. It needs electricity.
St. Louis style cheese wrap. St. Louis style cheesesteak wrap, #1. I can't even get the title right, so this is going to go just awesome.
And like I said, I have lots of mozzarella because we like things cheesy in this house. Hence Mike. We're here. We all know he's cheesy, right? Cheesy, goofy. That's why we keep him around.
Alrighty, fresh in from getting her nails waxed, the director. So, yeah, I'm in the doghouse. You know, I love my Yoder YS640 pellet grill. And I love my Blackstone grill. It makes incredible smash burgers and smash tacos. But, you know, I like my gas grill. I just didn't have a charcoal grill. Now I do. The girls are mad, but they'll get over it once I make them some delicious treats. Let's unbox it and put it together. And it has a ginormous dent right in the top. Decision time. Damn it. Alrighty, so after 6 excruciating days of waiting, the replacement has arrived. Oh, it's you people. You're who I want to talk to. Hey, me and others like me have something to say to you griddle jockeys, all right? We're tired of being smashed. Why's it got to be us every time? Why don't you Blackstone warriors come up with something different for a change? We've had enough. And now you know. Why don't you smash a sausage, smash a chicken, smash a taco? Wait, what? Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Smash tacos. You don't have to just smash your burgers anymore. You can smash other things. We'll try smashed meatloaf eventually.
No, we won't.
We will not try smashed meatloaf, but these are damn good. Well, I did it again. 2 weeks after being in the doghouse for buying a new grill, I made some fantastic things on that grill. Made some Chilean steak with pepper sauce, made some saffron chicken tikka, and it got me out of the doghouse. And then a coworker of mine from Spain sent me a picture. She had made this incredible dish called paella. And I was intrigued. I had to try it. So thanks, Elena. I'm back in the doghouse. So once I put this thing together, we're gonna be making some paella today.
Hi, well, we've reached the end of 2023 here on Galley of the Sun, and I just want to say thank you to all of you who have viewed us, liked us, subscribed to us, shared us, and tried the recipes. So I hope you've enjoyed them half as much as we have, and thanks again. Have a wonderful new year.
Hey, Galley fans. Thanks for all your support this 2023. It's been amazing. We've done some great recipes, some fantastic food. We appreciate your subscribing, liking, and trying our recipes. I really look forward to the next year because I guarantee we got some recipes that are going to blow your mind. Thank you so much and happy holidays.
I hope you enjoyed the episode. Thank you so much for your support over the past year.
Just wanted to take this time to thank each and every one of you for watching all of our episodes. Please be sure to leave a comment to tell us where you're from and which episode you enjoyed the most. Once again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Thank you all for watching.
Thanks for all of your support for 2023. Here comes 2024.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.